everyone, I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies, and what you need is some flour, and we're going to measure out 2 3/4 of a cup of flour. And flatten this out. Need a little bit more. Okay, and that's measure out to 2 cups. Then pour that in. And then we need, no, I still got 3/4 of a cup. And then we need 1.5 cup of sugar. And then it should look like that. Just pour that in. And then we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. That in. And then 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then now we need to mix that together. And with me, I like it to mix up the solid ingredients, and then the solid is also known as the dry ingredients, and then mix in the wet ingredients. And after that is mixed together, should look something like that. And now we need to mix in the liquids. And then we need 1 cup of melted butter. That's 2 sticks. And then we need to add 1 egg. And then we need to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm using the Watkins brand. Okay, and then we mix that together. And when it comes to mixing stuff up when you're baking, it's really important that you mix all the ingredients up really good. Make sure the spoon's scraped off. And then, once all the ingredients are mixed together, should look like that. And now we need some cookie sheets. Okay, so after the dough is mixed up for the cookies, we're going to take some of the dough out of the bowl, and then we're going to put that on the table and kind of flatten it out a little bit with our hands. And then if you want to do this, you can take some cookie cutters with like different like shapes and then like make like shapes with the cookies. Okay. And then remove this. Pick that up. And then put that in the, oh darn it, broke. Okay, I'm gonna try that one again. Okay, and then put that in there, and remove it. Okay, and then remove the excess stuff, and then pick this up. And put down the cookie sheets. Then do this again. And then I'm doing this Christmas tree one. Okay. And put that on there. More this dough here. Then I'm going to make a snowman. And then I'm going to make a gingerbread man. Cookies are cut up and onto the cookie sheet. You want to bake them in the oven and at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes.